please let me know on WhatsApp, okay? If any student is in contact with you or telling you that your friend is telling you that you are not, he's or she is not able to join the class, okay, just let me know through WhatsApp, okay? Or you can tell me in class as well, okay? So first question we have completed, second we have completed, third we have completed, fourth we have completed, fifth we were doing,
The
okay,
fifth
up to
question.
fourth, okay, up to fourth, anyone have doubt? Up to fourth, any doubt? Up to fourth, anyone have doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, and one more thing, tomorrow onwards you all have to switch on your cameras, okay? So up to fourth, any have doubt? Anyone have doubt? Up to fourth. Up to fourth question, any doubt? Anyone? If you have doubt, do ask, or else later it will create trouble. Any doubt up to fourth?
Sir, fourth, second.
Fourth, second. Okay, any more? Okay, any more doubts? Up to fourth question, any doubt? Okay, fourth, second we discuss. 4 by 3 raised to power minus 1 into 15 upon 16 raised to power minus 2. Okay, this is the question. Okay, minus 1 means its inverse, we can write it as 3 by 4. We can write it as 3 by 4.
Yes,
Angel,
sir.
mute yourself. 3 by 4 we can write, okay, into its inverse as well we can write 16 upon 15 square. This is fine. A by b whole raised to power minus n, that we have studied. A by b
Yes,
whole
sir.
raised to power minus n equal to a by b whole raised to power n. Okay, so its inverse reciprocal we have taken. Okay, now 3 by 4 into 16 square, okay, divided by 15
square.
square. Okay, so again we can write 3 by 4. What is 16? 16 is 4 square. 4 square whole square. This is what? 3 into 5 square. We can write it like this.
Yes, sir.
This can be written 4
Yes,
square
sir.
and its whole
Yes,
square.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Next
sir.
step, 3 by 4 into 4 raised to power 4 m into n
Yes, sir.
divided
Yes, sir.
by 3 square into 5 square. Okay. Now all the 4 raised to power 4 divided by 4 into 3 divided by 3 square into 5 square. Okay. So it will be 4 raised to power 4 minus 1,
cube.
4 cube into 3. This time we take it downward. 1 upon 3 raised to power 2 minus 1 into 5 square. We can write it. Okay, there are other ways to
Sir,
solve
3
as
to
well.
3 is 2 power 2.
It is 2 minus 1.
Sir,
Okay.
we can take 3 into the other side.
You can take, that's up to you.
Yes, sir.
Other side, what other side?
Sir, that you written 4 raised to power 4 upon 4 instead of 3 upon 4. Sir, means we can shift.
You can shift anyway. Okay, you can put anywhere, it doesn't matter. Okay,
Okay.
it doesn't matter. Okay, so this one it will be how much? 4 raised to power 3.
4
Okay,
cube.
divided by 3
3
into
into 5
5
square.
square.
5 raised to 5.
Okay. Okay, now you can find the value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it will be how much? 4, 16, 64. 3 into
64.
25. 64 upon
25.
75. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, this one. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
there are
sir.
many ways to solve. It's not that you have to follow the same way. That is 3 you have to write here or anywhere. It's up to you to solve how. Okay, mainly I'm using only the laws. Through laws only I want to calculate. That's why I used this one. Okay. Okay, now fifth question we have completed. Any question? First we have completed.
Yes, sir. First question complete.
Okay, do the second one now. Do the second one, everyone. Do second one. Do second one.
Sir, fifth second.
Fifth second. Fifth second.
Sir, question number first and second is completed.
First and second completed. Okay, then do the third one. Do the third one.
Sir, please start from second.
Yes.
Sir, my
Second,
second
you
is
haven't
not.
got. You haven't got second. Okay, second I am doing here 2 raised to power minus 1. Rest of those who have completed second, go with third. Divided by 2 raised to power minus 3. Okay. 2 raised to power minus 1, 4 raised to power minus 2 divided by, okay. So we won't disturb them for time being. 4 can be written as 2 square, 4 raised to power minus 2. Bigger bracket. Okay, we can remove the bracket now, okay. And into, so it will become what? 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 3. Okay, or you can 2 raised to power minus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 4 into 2 raised to power 3. This we have got. Now add them all. 2 raised to power minus 1 minus 4 plus 3. How much you have got?
Sir, 2. Sir, 2 raised to power 2 square.
Minus 2.
Yes,
Minus
sir.
5 plus 3 minus 2. It is how much? 1 upon 2 square. This is
1 upon 2 raised to power 2.
2.
1 upon 4.
Understood this one? So 4 we can write 2 square. 2
Yes,
raised
sir.
to power minus 4. And here divide multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal. Negative again, reciprocal 2 cube. And now since base are same, always remember base are same, we can add the powers. Okay, add and we solve. Okay, third one. Third one.
Sir, can we write this, sir, on starting, can we write it as 1 upon 2 into,
That way as well you can solve, no issues. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 4 square and into 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. There are many ways to solve. There are many ways to solve. Okay. In each step we can go in different ways. No issues with that. Okay. Okay, next one. 2 raised to power minus 1 minus 4 raised to power minus 1 minus 6 raised to power minus 1. This whole divided by 3 by 2 raised to power minus 2. Now, see here, this time we cannot add the powers. It is subtracting or addition. Okay,
Yes,
subtracting they are.
yes.
Okay, so how
Sir,
we are
minus
going
2
to write?
minus
2 raised to
Sir,
power
minus 2 plus
Okay.
4 plus 6.
2 raised to power minus 1 minus 4 raised to power minus 1 minus 6 raised to power minus 1. Yes, this is fine.
Sir, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4
Okay.
minus 1 upon 6.
Minus
Yes, sir.
1 upon 6.
Divided by 2 upon 3 raised to power 2.
Okay. Divide first, we are doing that one. Okay, no issues. Raised to power
Yes, sir.
2. Okay. Now see here,
Yes, sir.
you can do one thing here as well. Half we can take common out as well. We can do. If I take half out, there are many ways. Either you can solve it now, take the LCM. Okay,
Sir, 12. LCM 12.
12. Okay, or you can take one out and LCM will be 6. Both ways you can do. Okay, okay. So you want to take LCM, that's fine. So 12 is the LCM. 6 minus.
3 minus 2.
Here I am doing multiplication. So 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
This is fine. Now 1 upon
1 upon 12.
12.
3 raised to.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
fine for everyone. Abhinav, mute yourself for time being. Okay.
Okay, sir.
1 upon 12 into 3 upon 2 the whole square. This is fine. Now 12 we can write it as, either you can solve it here, take the square. So either you can solve it like this. 1 upon 12 into 3 into 3, 9. 2 square, 4. Okay. Okay, this way you can solve, no issues.
Yes, sir. So answer will be 3 upon 16. Yes, sir. 3 upon 16.
You can cancel them and you can solve, okay? Or you can do it like this. It will be 3 into 4 into 3 square divided by 2 square, okay? So 3 square divided by 3, only 3 will be remaining. 3 square divided by 3 into 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2 square. It will be 3 divided by 4 into
16.
3 upon 16. Okay. You can do any way. It depends on you. Okay. It's so up to you. Okay. There are many ways to solve a particular question. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So fourth question, do as homework. Fourth one, do as homework. Fifth one, do as homework. Sixth one, do it. Sixth one, do now. Sixth one, do now. Everyone start doing sixth. So these questions, there are many ways to solve. Always remember there are many ways to solve. So don't mug up anything. That is, only this way you have to solve or only that way you have to solve. It doesn't matter. You can solve it anyway. Okay. Solve the next one. Solve the next one. Okay, next one is given 1 raised to power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to power 0. This is the question. Now 1 raised to power anything. It is 1.
Yes, sir. Minus 1.
Minus. Okay.
Oh, yes,
2
sir.
raised to power
Sir,
minus
1. Sir, 2. Sir, 2
upon
square.
2 square. 2 square we can do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus 3.
Plus 3. Yes, sir.
Minus
Minus 1.
Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Always remember this
1.
one. Yes, Angel, you want to ask something? This is clear?
Yes.
Okay. This is clear. Now solve them. 1 minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. You can solve it. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 4 plus 3. How much? Minus 1. See here how bigger the question was and how smaller, how little the steps are.
Yes.
Clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? Okay, if clear, then do the sixth first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sixth first and second do as homework. Third you do. Third you do. Sixth, third. Sixth, third. Everyone solve sixth, third. Okay, if you are able to solve sixth, third, you can solve sixth first and second. Okay, sixth first and second do as homework. Third you do. Everyone solve the third one. Read the question and solve it. So there are many ways to solve a particular question. And in each step, you can go through Anyway, different paths are there. You can solve using any one. Okay, sixth, third. Curly bracket. 1 by 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2. Whole raised to power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 raised to power minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay. So see here, we start from smaller things and we'll move to solve. We move to go. We'll go to solve the bigger things. Okay. Mute
Yes,
all
sir.
yourself,
Sir,
everyone. Devraj, Abhinav, please mute
Sir,
yourself.
2 raised to power 3 plus.
That's fine. That's fine. Please mute yourself. Okay. Let others as well to solve. Okay. So see here, half raised to power minus 3. We'll solve this one first. Okay. Within the small brackets, we'll solve. It will be 2 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 2. Okay.
Divided by 4.
Divided by 4. 1 upon 4 raised to power minus 1, we can write 4. Take the reciprocal. This is fine. Now we'll solve the next step. 3 cube is how
Sir, 6
much?
plus 9 8 by 4.
It will be 8 plus
Yes, sir. 8
9
plus 9. 9.
and multiplied with
4.
1 by 4.
Sir, 4 only. Sir, yes, sir. We have to divide it, then it will.
Okay, if you are dividing, it will write. You can as
Yes,
well here
sir.
write it as like
Yes,
this as
sir.
well. Divide by
Reciprocal.
4 as well you can write. Okay, no issues. Divide by 4 you can write like this as well. Okay, no issues with that. 8 plus 9.
17 upon 4.
17 upon 4. Here we go, different answers.
Sir,
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. We did one mistake. Okay. Here it was
Multiplication we do. So
1 minute. 1 minute. Here it is minus 1. Okay. And this whole divide. Okay, leave it. Divide by 4. Okay, it will be how much? 17 raised to power minus 1 divided by 4. It will be how much? 1 upon 17 and into 1 upon 4. So 1 upon
68.
1 upon 68. Okay. So we forgot minus 1 power. Okay. This negative power we forgot. This is clear to everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 7th question, read it. So up to 6th, solve the 5th and 6th at home. Okay. 7th first. By what number should be multiplied so that the product becomes this one? Read the question properly and form the equation. Form the equation. Read the question properly and form the equation.
Sir, minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1 divided by minus 3 upon 4 raised to power minus 2.
Okay. Now listen it. By what number? Minus 3 by 4. The minus 2 be multiplied so that product becomes itna. Okay. By what number this must be multiplied? So let that number be
X.
X. Okay. We are supposed or we have taken that number as X. Okay. By what number should this be multiplied? That means minus 3 by 4 all square. It should be multiplied
Multiply by X.
with X so that the product becomes
Is
this one.
equals
So
to
minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1.
raised to power minus 1.
Minus 1. It's fine. Abhinav, please mute yourself. Okay. So minus 3 by 4 the whole square into X. Into
Sir,
X.
Devraj is speaking.
Devraj is speaking. Devraj, please mute yourself. Okay. If you have doubt, you can ask. Okay. Or let me explain. Okay. Devraj, mute yourself, please. Okay, minus 3 by 4 the whole square into x. This is the equation we have formed. It is given. By what number? Minus 3 by
Sir,
4
there
the
is
whole
not
square.
whole square, sir. Minus 2. Sir, minus 3 upon 4 all raised to the power minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay. By what number? This must be multiplied, so that answer becomes this one. This is clear? Okay. Now, how to solve? X will be how much? X equal to minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1 divided by minus 3 by 4 whole raised to power minus 2. Have you understood this one? If you are taking this one, it will come in division. Okay, this is fine. Okay, now calculate minus 1. It will be how much? Minus 3 upon 2. Take the reciprocal. Divided by,
Yes, sir.
take the reciprocal. Minus 4 divided by 3 square. Okay, we will go one by one, step by step. Okay. X equal to minus 3 by 2 multiplied with, take the reciprocal again, minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay. X equal to minus 3 by 2 into square it is. So negative sign we can remove. 3 by 4 whole square. This is fine. We can remove the negative power because it's the square. It's the even number. Okay. X equal to minus 3 by 2 into 3 square divided by 4 square. Okay. Solve this one. Solve this one. How much you will be getting? 3 cube divided by, it will be 2 square, 4, 6, 5. Or you can solve it here. It will be 16, 16 to jao, 32. And it will be 27. Clear to everyone? Is it clear?
So
to
minus
everyone?
27.
Minus, minus. Minus 27 upon 32. Okay, 3 students, Rajnandani, Ayush and Abhimanyu, they are not able to connect.
Sir, I am connected only.
You are connected, okay. It's okay, it's again appearing
Sir, I am
connected.
also connected.
Okay, okay. It's blinking here. Okay, this is fine. You all have got minus 27 upon 32. Understood this one? Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, second do as homework. 8th A you do. 8th A. The same way. So 2 minutes will complete that one. 9th is very important question. 9th we will discuss that. Okay. 8th A, solve it. This time divided. 8th A, solve everyone. So today you have to complete the exercise. Okay. And tomorrow we'll discuss the doubts if you have, or we'll start the next chapter, squares and square roots. Okay. First we clear the doubts tomorrow, and then we'll start the chapter.
We will be also doing that revision exercise.
Revision exercise as well as is there. We'll be discussing that one after some days. Okay. So revision exercise you keep doing, complete the revision exercise, and we'll be discussing each a little. Okay, that will be revision of this whole chapter. Okay. So few questions each day from revision exercise we will discuss for 5 minutes, and then our new chapter. Or else we'll take revision exercise tomorrow for the whole period, and then we'll start the new afterwards. Okay.
Yes,
so by
sir.
what number should minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1 be divided? By what number? So let that number be x. Write the statement. Let that number be x. Okay. Minus 2 by 3. By what number should be divided? So we are dividing this by x raised to power minus 1 divided by x. So that quotient is 15 upon 16 raised to power minus 1. Okay. By what number should minus 2 by 3 this be divided so that we get this as quotient? Okay. So minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 1 into 1 upon x. We can write it like this. Or see, one more thing we can do along with. Take the reciprocal. 3 raised to power minus 3 raised to power minus 3 upon 2. Take the reciprocal. We can do it along with. Okay. This is clear to everyone. Anyone have doubt? Now take this on this side. So it will come in division. 1 upon x equal to 16 upon 15 divided by minus 3 by 2. Okay, we take the reciprocal. Okay, 16 upon 15 into minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so how much you are getting 1 upon x? 16 into minus 2, how much?
Sir, minus 32.
Minus 32
Minus 32 upon
divided by
45.
how much? 45.
45.
Okay, this is 1 by x.
45.
So take the reciprocal, x will be how much?
Minus 45 upon
45. Minus 45 upon 32.
Understood? Understood this one? Similarly, you can do the 8th B
Yes,
as well,
sir.
okay? We'll be discussing 9th question, okay? Now, everyone pay attention. This is very important question, okay? So first, before that, I'll be discussing a little bit regarding comparison, okay? Okay. So, for example, numbers are given 15, 27. Can we compare them? Which is larger number?
Yes, sir.
Which is larger?
27.
27 is larger number. How we are able to compare? Because their powers are same, both having the same powers. Both having the same powers? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 raised to power 3. 7 raised to power 3. Which will be the larger number?
7
7
raised
raised
to
to power
Sir,
1.
So how we have compared? See here, how we have compared. This is 7 is base. Here 2 is base.
2 is
3
base.
is power.
X.
3 is power. Okay. How we have compared? First check the powers. Powers are same here. Base are different. Since powers are same, we have to only compare the base.
Base.
Okay. Since powers are same, we have to only compare the base. Okay. Then we compared 2 and 7, which is larger 7. That means 7 cube will be larger. Okay. If the question is 3 raised to power 8, 3 raised to power 27, which will be larger?
Raised to power 27.
3 raised to power 27. So see here what we did. Base are same. So we compared the powers. Okay. Okay. Now, if it is given 2 raised to power x equal to 2 raised to power 7. Okay. What will be the value of 7? What will be the value of x?
X. Sir, 7.
7. Why we are able to compare? X, why is x equal to 7? See here, base are same. Base are same. So powers must be same. Base are same. It means left hand side power must be equal to right hand side power. Understood? Okay, if it is given 2 raised to power x equal to 4 raised to power 2, then how we are going to find x?
Sir, 4.
Okay,
Sir,
that's clear. 4, 5, no. So see here, base are same or different? Base are different. So first we'll make the base same. We are going to make the base same. How we can make base same? 4 can be written as 2 square.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
2x equal to 2 raised to power 4. Now since base are same, it means power we can equate x equal to 4. Understood? So first we have to make the base same on both sides. If base are same, we can equate the powers. We can equate the powers. Understood? We can equate the powers. Okay. Now, ninth
Yes, sir.
first. Okay, ninth first, pay attention. I'll be solving here. 2 raised to power x, 2 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power minus 1. Okay, here base are same only. 2 raised to power 5. This is given. Now, right hand side is already solved, but left hand side is not solved. So we'll solve this one. Okay, how we are going to solve? It will be how much? 2 raised to power x into 2.
1
Can we-
upon 2.
1 upon.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute before we write one more step. Okay, 1 by 2. 2 raised to power.
Yes, sir.
Negative power we have removed. Okay, reciprocal we have
Yes,
taken.
sir.
Okay, now this division we can remove. 2 raised to power x into 2 raised to power 5. Okay, now what we have to do? Base are same, we can add the powers. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the base are same, so we can equate the powers. X plus
Sir,
1,
x is equals to
x equal to 4. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the second one. Everyone do the second one. It's very easy. Everyone solve the second one. Three raised to power 2x plus 1 into 3 raised to power 2. Okay, 3 square equal to 3 raised to power 5. Okay, right hand side is already solved. Left hand side we have to solve. It's very easy. You got the answer. Base are same. So a raised to power m into a raised to power n. M plus n, 2x plus 1 plus 2 equal to 3 raised to power 5. 3 raised to power 2x plus 3 equal to 3 raised to power 5. Since base are same, therefore we can equate the powers. Powers will be equal, left hand side and right hand side. 2x plus 3 equal to 5. 2x equal to how much? 2. X equal to how much? 1. That's where you can check. Put x equal to 1 here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 2. 3 plus 2, 5. We got the correct answer. Is this clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Third and fourth we will discuss tomorrow. As well, you try to solve them. Okay. So try to complete the exercise. Ninth, third, and fourth we are going to discuss in class tomorrow. As well, you as well try. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubt you have? Anyone having doubt anywhere?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay then. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.